My name is Carlos Leon from Revit Technology. We're going to go through the steps for inputting an NC program by hand on any FANUC CNC. We press Reset, Edit Mode, press Prog, Program on the screen, and then we key in the program number. It could be any number, like 2050. That's going to be my program number. No EOB at this point. Then we press Insert. Now the program is starting to load, and now we can just put every line of the program one by one, like G00, T0101. After each line, we do EOB and insert. Let's do another line, G50, S100, EOB and insert. G00, X1, Z6, EOB and insert. That way we start inputting the program. And that's it for inserting the program by hand.